here's a good challenging but fun problem. We have multiplication and subtraction and addition and parentheses all mixed together, and we're asked to simplify a particular expression. So I called this simplifying by collecting like terms, but there's also going to be many other elements to this, distributive property, etc., etc., etc. Okay, so let's first distribute. Well, the 2 multiplied against the negative 2y minus 1 would yield 2 times negative 2 is negative 4, minus 2 times 1 is 2, and then at the end, just a plus y. Now we can collect like terms. Let's underline the negative 4y and the positive y, or plus y, so we can see that we're taking negative 4 many copies and we're adding on 1 copy. What is negative 4 plus 1? That would of course be the number negative 3. So we get negative 3 copies of y, and the minus 2 is not touched, so nothing combines with it. The final answer is negative 3y minus 2. On the next page here, here's your challenge problem. Try this one on your own. By pausing the video, don't be too scared. I know there's a lot of other pieces to this one, but I'm going to do it for you right now. So pause the video, try to do it on your own, and assuming you took a shot, even if you got it wrong, not a big deal, we are going to do it together right now. So this time we have a couple distributive properties that are required. Right? We have a negative 4 being multiplied by a negative 3w, which should be a 12w. We have a negative 4 being multiplied against an x, which would be plus a negative 4x. Then we have subtraction against negative 3x and plus 6w. So minus negative 3x distributed through would be plus 3x, minus a positive 6w would indicate that we'd actually be subtracting 6w. So if we correctly distribute our negative signs and keep track of all the little plussing of a negative and minusing, adding, and all these different operations and numbers, this is what we should have. Now if we collect like terms, we have a 12w minus a 6w. 12 minus 6 is 6. So we're left with 6 w's. And we have a negative 4x plus a 3x. Those are enemies, of course, and negative 4 plus 3 would be negative 1. So we're adding a negative 1x. Adding a negative is the same as subtraction, and then we usually don't write in the 1 because we don't need to. So the final answer to this would be 6w minus x.